Hello everyone, this is Jim from the Art of Finance. We are closing the week with you. We have received non-farm payroll data. It was really good. It just beat estimates. Expected number was 450,000 people get to be hired, and the number hired people is 531 K, and that's really good. And also one more thing, they have revised the previous month. Previous month was released on September for September on the beginning of October. They released as 194, and right now they just said, sorry guys, we just made a mistake, and it's not 194, it is 221. Okay, they said like this, and then they revised the previous month of hired people. And unemployment rate expected number from just slightly decline from 4.8 to 4.7, but it is also better than expected, and it just went down to 4.6. It's all good. And after this, what should happen? It should have been drop in gold, but it didn't happen just right now. Reason is US 10 years of bonds. Nobody is just buying that bonds. I think everybody is just focused on stock market, and the prices, the rates of interest rates of bonds are getting less and less. That's why gold just seems that just becomes a good hedge for these instruments against a drop in stock markets. So people just buy some gold and some stocks, and eventually they're making money in stocks. And if something happens bad, then they are hedging themselves with gold. It's happening like this. All right, as you can see here, what we can expect on that one, if it's that 10-year US bond goes down like this, we may see some more higher levels like this one. 1814 level can be seen in gold, but in my opinion it seems that it is just pushing higher, but it can go higher. So a rejection from this point, it's more likely, because the data, as I said, it was so good, and I'm not expecting to go higher that one. But the critical data is US 10-year bond rate. Right now it's on 149. If it goes to like 155, 156, even 160, then we will see gold down to 170, 1780 levels can be observed in gold. All right, let's look at what's happening in euro dollar. What's happening there? All right, we are on US dollar, and as you can see here, euro dollar is on decline and trying to rebound on from these levels. With just on here, the data was released in US. The non-farm payroll data was released in this hour, and it has tested lower levels, and right now it is trying to rebound from these levels already. So we can just expect that DAX dollar index is on the final resistance, the highest levels, like it's almost like highest levels of this year. So if it doesn't go that much, then a rebound from this area seems more possible. First we need to just break this resistance area, then this will be a good point to just buy and take profit from euro dollar. And to make it, just watch it 115 area is critical for an euro dollar on upside. As I said, DAX index already like on rise, and then it just slowing, easing down of that hike, and we don't expect that one goes higher as well. And the euro dollar eventually with some good news in euro side, and probably will rebound from these, because there's always a balance between euro and dollar, so it may rebound from this point to 116 area with some good news. All right, let's look at the last chart of our week closer, that is US oil. What's happening there? All right, our last chart is US oil, and as you can see here, US oil is under the critical support area. We were seeing that 80 per barrel price is critical, and if it goes down that one, it may go faster. And last night it has tested even 78 area, and from that point it just rebounded back, and right now it is trading at 79. But we are expecting just some reaction on that one. If it gets rejected from 80 level, then you can expect 75 levels. Reason is COVID-19. Especially developed countries are having the last wave of the fourth wave, some of them third wave of coronavirus. For example, Germany, they have reported highest new cases from the beginning of pandemic. Not the deaths, but as first cases rising, then deaths are rising. Any kind of lockdown or any restrictions will immediately affect US oil. If we hear those things, we may see even $70 area. All right, thank you so much for watching us. We will be together on more news on Monday. We will be closing the week with this video. Have a nice and profitable day, and have a nice weekend. Bye.